friends! Welcome to Fun Songs, where we sing, learn, and play every day.
Come along, come splash with me. Let's learn our ABCs by the sea. Ocean creatures, big and small. Let's sing their names, we'll learn them all. Come sing the ABCs with me. Under the waves and in the sea, fish and crabs and dolphins play, learning letters the ocean way. A is for angelfish, shiny and bright. B is for blue whale, a giant delight. C is for clownfish, hiding in reefs. D is for dolphin, leaping with leaps. E is for eel, that wiggles by. F is for flounder, flat and sly. G is for goby, quick as can be. H is for hermit crab, hiding happily. Come sing the ABCs with me. Under the waves and in the sea, fish and crabs and dolphins play, learning letters the ocean way. I is for isopod, tiny and neat. J is for jellyfish, dancing with feet. K is for killer whale, strong and grand. L is for lobster with claws in the sand. M is for manatee, gentle and round. N is for nudibranch, bright on the ground. O is for octopus with 8 wiggly arms. P is for parrotfish with rainbow charms. Come sing the ABCs with me. Under the waves and in the sea, fish and crabs and dolphins play, learning letters the ocean way. Q is for queen angelfish, blue and gold. R is for ray, gliding bold. S is for seahorse, tiny and curled. T is for turtle, slow in the world. U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for viperfish, deep and tall. W is for wrassid, darting through coral. X for x-ray fish, striped like a mural. Y is for yellow tang, bright as the sun. Z is for zebra, sharp stripes for fun. Come sing the ABCs with me. Under the waves and the sea, we learned our letters A to Z with ocean friends so happily. Now you know your ABCs with creatures from the deep blue seas. Clap your hands and give a cheer. We'll sing it another year.
Bye-bye, friends! See you next time on Fun Songs! Don't forget to subscribe! See you in next video!